Welcome to this demonstration of capillary water uptake in a material where the water uptake is very strong. I would almost call it like an implosion that takes place. And if we're fortunate, it's an experiment, so I don't know how it goes, we can almost hear, or we can hear, I hope, how this very rapid moisture uptake takes place. This has to do with the pore structure. So from the lecture on moisture transfer in materials, we have shown this talk here before, how we see pore structure, in this case for two materials. For brick, the red one here, where we have only one size of pores, which are rather big. So they work like a highway, a motorway for moisture uptake. But because we have only big pores, then they do not absorb moisture with so strong forces as the small pores do. But for the other material, the one that I have with me today, calcium silicate, we have a combination of fine pores. That's out here on the right-hand side here when we take the logarithmic. So then the small pores out here. So we have many of those, and they can absorb very strongly. But they don't function like highways for the moisture transport. But then we have a certain number of also small pore or large pores where this takes place. So this combination is interesting. You can find on the internet, since I don't have such pictures with me, but you can find scanning electron microscope pictures of calcium silicate. So if you use these words to search, then you can find on the internet some pictures that show the pore structure. I have over with me here on the whiteboard, I have drawn a little bit what you can expect to see. So on a microscopic scale, the calcium silicate has some large pores, they're rather wide, and inside of those pores are some filaments of small materials that function like fine pores, so they can absorb very strongly the moisture, and also the white part of the pore functions as this motorway, highway for liquid moisture transport. So that makes it very active for capillary moisture uptake. I have with me here on the table some samples of calcium silicate, very lightweight material, and we'll now make the experiment where we put it into the water, and then we can hopefully hear how the moisture uptake really sounds also. But let's see how it goes. I will keep very quiet when we do it, so we make it right soon in a short moment. But after it has been done, you can also see on the scale on the scale here, you can see how the water, as it's being absorbed into the calcium silicate, it's taken from the reservoir I have, so you can see the level of water, how it actually falls down over time. So I'll keep quiet now, and then we'll see how it goes. So let's start it.